Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we share fun and effective ways to support your child's language learning. Today, we're going to make one of my favorite classroom games, Vocabulary Bingo or Lotería, to help children learn new words in a playful and memorable way. Vocabulary is the foundation of language, and for children, especially elementary students, games like this are one of the best ways to build it quickly and joyfully. Did you know that elementary-age children can learn 25 new words a week and over 1,000 words in a school year just through intentional, engaging practice? Games like Bingo make vocabulary learning fun, hands-on, and effective. Whether your child is learning their first language or a second one. First, decide which vocabulary words you want your students to learn. Choose about 24 words for one game set. You might focus on a theme, like animals, food, the church, the seasons, or classroom objects, or mix them for review. If you're teaching a second language, focus on high-frequency words that children will encounter often. And remember, repetition with variety is key. Next, let's make the game cards. You'll need 8 player cards. These are the bingo boards. 24 vocabulary word cards. These are the call cards. Bingo boards. Each board should be a 4x4 grid. That's 16 spaces with different combinations of your vocabulary words. You can make these by hand or purchase ones we've created in our teacherspayteachers.com online storefront. Vocabulary cards. These are single cards with one vocabulary word on each. You'll use them to call out the words during the game, just like a regular bingo caller. Now let's play. Here's what you'll need. The 8 bingo boards, the 24 vocabulary cards, markers, coins, beads, buttons, anything small to cover spaces. Here's how to play. Give each player one bingo card. Shuffle the vocabulary cards and call out the words one by one. Students listen carefully and mark the word if they have it. The first player to cover 4 words in a row, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally, shouts Lotería or Bingo and wins. Bingo is such a powerful vocabulary tool because it's interactive, social, and fun. When children are engaged, they're not just memorizing, they're making meaningful connections with language. Try adding this to your weekly vocabulary routine, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your students grow their word bank. Don't forget, 25 words a week adds up to 1,000 words in a school year. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more creative language learning tips. And if you make your own vocabulary bingo, tag us. We'd love to see it in action.